Have you ever been driving down the road and noticed a mysterious humming noise coming from your car? You're not alone. In today's video, we are going to explore the common reasons why cars make humming noises when driving. 1. Tire issues. An issue with the tires of your car is one of the most common reasons of humming noise during driving. Uneven tread wear or damaged tires can cause a humming noise as the tires interact with the road surface. It's essential to regularly inspect your tires for any signs of wear or damage, and also ensure that your tires are properly inflated. 2. Worn bearings. Wheel bearings facilitate smooth wheel rotation. Over time, these bearings can wear out due to factors like age, contamination, or lack of lubrication. When bearings wear out, they may produce a humming or growling noise, especially at higher speeds. The noise might change when turning, because the load on the bearings varies. 3. Alignment issues. When a car's wheels are not properly aligned, it can lead to uneven tire wear. This uneven wear generates noise, as the tires interact with the road surface. Regular wheel alignments ensure that all wheels point in the right direction. 4. Brake wear. Worn brake pads or rotors can create a humming noise. As the brake components wear down, they may produce vibrations and noise during braking. Regular brake maintenance, including pad and rotor inspections, helps prevent excessive wear and noise issues. 5. Transmission problems. Problems with the transmission, such as low transmission fluid or a failing transmission, can result in humming or whining noises. The transmission is responsible for transferring power from the engine to the wheels. Any issues in this process can generate unusual sounds. 6. Differential noise. The differential distributes power from the engine to the wheels. Problems with the differential gears or bearings can lead to humming sounds, especially during turns. The noise may be more noticeable when the load on the differential changes. 7. Exhaust leaks. Leaks in the exhaust system can create a humming noise. The exhaust gases escaping from a hole or gap in the system can produce a distinct sound. Regular inspections of the exhaust system help identify and repair leaks promptly. 8. Wind noise. Certain vehicle designs may be more prone to whine noise. Loose or damaged seals around doors, windows, or other openings can allow wind to create a humming sound as it passes over the vehicle. 9. Tire imbalance. Unbalanced tires can cause vibrations, leading to a humming noise. Balanced tires ensures that the weight distribution is even, preventing uneven wear and vibrations that contribute to noise. 10. Worn serpentine belt. And lastly, the serpentine belt can also contribute to the overall hum heard while driving. The serpentine belt drives various engine components, including the alternator, power steering pump, and air conditioning compressor. If the belt is worn or loose, it can create a humming or squealing noise. So, there you have it. Several common reasons why your car might be making a humming noise while driving. Remember to address any issues promptly to ensure a smooth and quiet ride.